Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to remove a broken bleeder valve off a brake caliper. This is the brake caliper from my truck, and the reason I have changed it or taken it off is you can see right here I broke the bleeder valve off, and I tried using an easy out and broke the easy out. So the brakes can't be bled unless that is repaired. So I'm going to show you a technique that I have used very successfully, and it might be a little unorthodox method, but it does work. The force that's needed to remove this is going to be more than what snapped that off or broke the easy out. Now what I have here is a cold chisel, and this is the only one I have. It would be nice to have a little bit smaller, but this will have to do. Okay, now what you want to do is take the chisel and hold it on one side and tap it in. But the chisel has to be able to make a notch into this. There, we got one started. Once you have that notch, see it right in there, get your chisel at a slight angle in the right direction to unthread it. I'm hitting it at an angle. The easy out is still in there, which that's as hard or harder than the chisel. There you have it. This is another bleeder valve. And there. That brake caliper is good as new. Well, maybe not quite so, but it will work. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.